Okay, so here you can see the two different saws that we've got. You'll see the one with the C at the back here. This is our crosscut, and you'll see that the teeth are a lot more vertical, and there's more teeth and they're closer together. On this one here, the ripping one, you'll see that the teeth are actually angled to the back of the blade. There's less teeth and they're a lot more aggressive. So the difference between the two is with the crosscut one, it'll give you a clean cut if you're going across the timber, and it won't pull the grain out. Where the ripping one, when you're ripping with it, it's pulling the timber out and it's clearing the swarf, and it's going to be a lot quicker to rip with. You're going to do a lot less cuts to get to where you need to. But if you try and cross cut with it, because it's more aggressive, it's going to pull out the timber and split out the timber. Okay, so we've just got a piece of timber in the vise standing upright with the grain running down the length. So the first cut we're going to do, we're actually going to use our crosscut saw and do what we would traditionally do with a rip saw and do a cut. Now you can see it's still cutting, but it's taking a lot of cuts to get down to there. Still a really nice fine cut. But then if we use our ripping blade and do the same cut, you'll notice a lot less cuts and it'll go a lot quicker. Now if we flip our timber over the other way and we try and do our cross cut with our crosscut saw, you'll see that we'll get a good, nice, clean cut. It's still nice and quick and it's not tearing out the grain. If we get our ripping saw and we try and do the same thing, you can see even straight away that first cut, we just ripped a piece of timber out.